Inventory is talked about all the time. You hear all the time it's a seller's market or it's a buyer's market. But I want to explain what that really means because it actually can be very important to understand depending on the type of investment you're looking to make, like fixing and flipping, for example. You definitely want to understand the market you're in. To calculate inventory, you're going to want to take all the homes available on the market and divide that by the number of homes that sold in the past 30 days. All right, so now we're in the back end of the MLS. You can see that we have 5,277 active homes on the market right now. I personally like to narrow this down to single family homes only. And when we do that, you can see that we have 4,056 homes available. So you're going to take that number and you're going to divide it by the number of homes that sold in the past 30 days, which we have 1807. So we're going to take 4056, divide that by 1807, and we have about 2.2 months of inventory on the market. So if another house wasn't listed for 2 months and 2 weeks, it would be completely out of inventory. That's what we call an absorption rate. So what do these inventory levels mean? 1 to 3 months would be what we consider a seller's market. There's not much available, so if you're trying to buy, it's a little tougher and more competitive, and that's because there's not a lot to choose from and everyone is going after the same houses. You're seeing multiple offers, pretty much everything we experienced in 2020 and 2021. Once you're in the 3 to 4 months range, that's where things are neutral. It's not really favored to one side or the other. Some homes are selling quick, some are sitting for a while. It just depends on the price, condition, and many other factors. 4 months and above is what we consider a buyer's market. Things are sitting on the market longer, homes aren't really selling. This is where you have some negotiating power, and it can be a good time to buy if you're looking to negotiate a good deal. So it's important to understand the market you're in. If it's a seller's market, you really want to be coming in with your best foot forward when you're making offers. If you're fixing and flipping, you ideally want to be in a seller's market because once you finish your rehab, you want to be able to sell your property quickly without racking up a whole bunch of holding costs. And if it's a buyer's market, you should know that you most likely have some negotiating power, some leverage with price, seller contributions, and etc.